you guys. Showing you guys. I have the key here for the MDX that I made for the MDX or whatever. Right now the car is locked, like so. I'm gonna hit the unlock button on here, and it unlocks. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the trunk pop work. On the side here, hold the trunk pop, and it pops the trunk. I'm gonna hold it again, and the trunk's gonna close. Okay. Then I'm gonna swipe up the screen now. Hit the unlock button, it's raining. Okay. Hold this down. It's the panic. Hit the unlock button again. You hit this middle button here, this is a lock. As you can see, the mirror locks. You don't need another key with this. All you need is this key. You can just put it here to the side like so. Hit the start button, start the car up, and you're good to go. This works with only push start vehicles. It has to be a push start car, meaning that you can't turn the key in the ignition. It has to be just a push start where you hold the brake and hit the gas in order to use this. You can use this for different model. This is on a MDX of 2017. This will work for other MDXs, TLXs, other Acuras, other kinds of cars also that have wireless keys. The way that this sets up is where your factory board goes inside of here and it connects to the housing, and when it connects to the housing in the inside here, it plugs into it, and that's how you make this key. It's a process because I have to solder it. So as you can see, the panic works. I have to change around the graphics here to an Acura. They do have an Acura one, but I have to upload it myself. This functions perfectly just like a regular key. The keyless access, I'm going to show you guys some of these options that they have here. So this is basically unlock, lock, then we have the trunk pop, then this is the panic, which I just showed you guys. They also have it here, unlock, lock, trunk pop, panic. So you don't have to like press this button on the side, the power button. You don't have to press that to boot it on. You can just unlock your car from here or whatever, instead of having to hit the button and then swipe up and then hit this. Well, you can do it that way, it's up to you. So then it has trunk, it says smart, so you can set the distance to where the car unlocks when you get close to it. Then it has lock rise windows, so when you lock the car, the windows rise. That's only for certain model cars that have that option. This is the logo selection, where you select the logo. Infiniti, Toyota, Volkswagen, they have them for all different kinds of cars. Then we have the mode selection. Come on, what's going on? Okay. And then it shows you like the pictures of the vehicles and stuff for like the main screen. And then we have the start setting. This is for like original keys, if you use an original key. But in order to make this, what I did was I programmed an aftermarket key to the vehicle and used the board from the aftermarket key to use this. So it does have, I gotta set the time on this. It does have a remote start option, but I don't have it connected for this. You can also add a SIM card to it also, where you can add your phone SIM card, so in case you lose it, somebody can call, you can call it and the person can pick up and let you, and let them know that you have it, that they have it, so you can go get it or pick it up. You make phone calls from it and stuff. Then this is to set the time, and that's about it. But other than that, this key's been great. We've been using it. It's given us zero issues, zero problems. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this with the board, how to solder it. That's the next video. This one is just giving you like a little overview of what it looks like and how it functions. So I'm gonna turn the car off now. So I'm gonna hit the lock. The mirrors fold in. Hit unlock. functions perfectly. Then we have the trunk pop and the panic here. I just showed you guys that. Lock here again. Folds in. Good to go. Hit the unlock. Flashes. Mirrors fold out. And that's it. Good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them, but to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.